Hello people, we welcome you back to another episode of our video on fat belly loss detox water. Our ingredients are cucumber, ginger, cinnamon, mint leaves and lemon. So you bring them together, slice your cucumber thinly and put in a jar, then add your cinnamon stick and your crushed ginger. I prefer crushing the ginger to allow it to extract all the benefits from the ginger. Then your mint leaves and slice your lemons with the skin because all are very benefits. So we use the cucumber because the high water content keeps you hydrated through the day, thereby promoting weight loss. It acts as a detoxifier to relieve bloating around your stomach. The seeds of cucumber are a good diuretic that flush out excess water and toxins. It eases constipation thanks to its fiber and water content. It cleans the gut. Cucumber has zero fat, low calories, making it an excellent snack for people to lose weight. The cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. It helps you lose visceral fat and support weight loss. It helps to lower your blood pressure and cholesterol, boost insulin function and metabolism to ultimately lose weight. Is a good anti-inflammatory, but please avoid extreme dose consumption of cinnamon. Then we have a lemon, which promotes fullness. So you see yourself not feeling hungry all through the day, and it supports hydration just like cucumber, boosts metabolism, increases weight loss, it nourishes the skin. The peel may slow down fat accumulation. It has high amounts of vitamin C and calcium, which is good for those bones, for us that want to work out. Ginger touches belly fat. It's a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps with cancer and symptoms of aging. Ginger balances blood sugar and cholesterol, which is awesome for our body. Mint leaves. Mint leaves aids digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes. It is effectively low in calories. It boosts metabolism. It triggers the release of extra bile from the gallbladder, which is important because it helps to digest fat. It also improves brain function. And hey, mint, it's awesome for your mouth. It refreshes and freshens your breath. So soak this, drink it all through the day. You can discard and soak fresh ones the next day. You soak for 3 to 4 hours or overnight before you start drinking. I prefer soaking at night. When I wake up, I start with it and do my workouts. Enjoy this, drink this as often as you can. If you can consistently drink it for 6 to 8 weeks, I promise you that you will see a noticeable difference in your brain function, loss in fat, you feel fit, and you will feel awesome in general. So people, give the video a thumbs up, scroll down and also give thumbs up to our other videos. We're Food Bandits. Please smash the like button, subscribe and click the notification bell for our videos. We try to upload 3 to 4 videos in a week. Thank you guys.